Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. Let's go. It's not really a organized video, but anyway, I will show you some of my card I bought in the past year. In the past day. Let's go. That it's a football tops 1971. Love this card. Dr. All it's about the Oilers. Glenn Ray Hines, Joe Dawkins, Spike Jones, Roy Gerela, Ziki Moore, George Webster, Charlie Johnson, Alvin Reed, Jerry Levias, and Ken Houston. I think Ken Houston must to be the more famous about this lot, about this card, but the card is not really well centered. But anyway, that it's nice. Move on. What this card is? It's about the NBA. It must to be. It's a tops. It's maybe. 76, 70, 75, 76, but anyway, Wes Answell, Dave Cowens, Sam Lacey, sorry I don't know this guy, but quite happy to get this, Kevin Porter, Dave Bings, and Nate Archibald, maybe Nate Archibald something, on this card is Rick Barry, Calvin Murphy, Bill Bradley. That it's nice. Move on. Now it's about the Washington Redskins. This card must to be some tops 83. Okay. About the Redskins, Don Warren, John Riggins, famous running back, Joe Teichman, famous quarterback, Olskewitz, Vernon Dean, Tony Peter, Mark Mosley. I love this card and I sent him some TTM request and he signed my card, but I will send this card because another time because it's great. John Riggins, great, that it's John Riggins again, that's nice, love this card. Mike Nelms, Rich Milo, that is about the championship versus the Cowboy. Okay, nice. Joe Jacoby, famous offensive line player. Dexter Mantley, a very good defensive guy. Mark Mosley, MVP of the NFL. One of my favorite wide receiver, all-time wide receiver, Art Monk, love this guy. Jeff Bostic, a very good lineman, offensive lineman in signed my card from a TTM request. Charlie Brown, that it's Mike Nelms, okay. And it's auto, must to be real, from Jerry White, cornerback. I don't know this guy, but very happy to get this. Okay, move on. Next, it's about the Rams. I love also the Rams. Isaiah Robertson, that's some leader. McCutcheon, Harold Jackson, Simpson, and Jake Youngblood. Must to be some tops 78. Pat Haddon, John Capelletti, Fred Dreyer, Roman Gabriel, Glenn Walker, Charlie Young, Jack Youngblood, very good player, Harold Jackson, it's a Hall of Fame, Monty Jackson, the Hall of Fame is Jack Youngblood, of course, Ron Jesse, Lawrence McCutcheon, Terry Nelson, Tom Mack, Dan Wisek, I think, Rich Soul, Raphael Septième, and Bill Simpson. Okay, move on. This card is quite nice. I don't know a lot. Must to be some Kellogg's card. Must to be a Kellogg's card about the 1970. I don't know a lot about this card, but the looking is a little bit surprising, but it's not too bad. It's Dave Robinson from the Packers. Okay, move on. Now it's some baseball card. Must to be tops 74. They are not in good shape, but anyway. Alkaline, Joe Morgan, Jim Hunter. There is already some very good player. Okay, just look. Ron Marichal, he signed my card about this some TTM. That is great. Okay. Willie Stargell, that is great. Lou Brook, nice. The cards are not really in good shape, but anyway, there are really some famous players. Brooke Robinson and Harmon Killebrew, that is great. On this card, that it's a top 73. Bob Gibson, Joe Morgan, Fergie Jenkins, Jim Hunter, and Gaylor Perry. Really some Hall of Fame and great player. Even I'm very happy to get this card, even if the cards are not really in good shape, but I pay few bucks for the lot and I will not complain. Move on. That is some NBA card. The year must to be sorry, I don't know, but must we say Bill Cartwright is more famous on this card, I think, and it was with the Knicks, and of course he played for the Chicago Bulls with Michael Jordan. The seller give me this. I don't know this. It's the packet, okay. But anyway, that's its tops 72. I love this looking of the card, and is the famous manager Sparky Anderson. Okay, move on. That's its must to be a tops. Must to be a tops. I think must to be 62. I'm not sure at 100%. And it's Don Manukian with the Raiders. Love the looking of the card. And that's now it's some tops. Must to be tops 64. Dick Stewart, Alkaline, and Armor Killebrew. And my last card is a tops must to be 62. I think so. And we see Whitney Ford, Frank Larry, Steve Barber, and Jim Bunning. It's about the win leader of American leagues. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy following sport. Bye bye.